Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you ever posted on Instagram and then thought, wait, this would be way better with music, you're not alone. Here's what you need to know. First things first, open your Instagram profile and find the post you want to enhance with some music. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and hit edit. Now, while Instagram lets you edit captions and tags, here's the catch. You can't directly add music to a post after it's been published. Yeah, we know, kind of a bummer. But don't worry, we got a workaround. Sparkles instead. Share your post to your Instagram story. Tap the airplane icon. Choose Add Post to Your Story, and from there, tap the sticker icon. Now select a music sticker. Search for the perfect track, and you're good to go. It's not quite the same as adding music to the original post, but it still helps give your content that extra vibe. And that's it. Quick and simple. Backhand and deck pointing right if this helped you out. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tech Vibe for more smart social media tips and tech tricks. Thanks for watching.